The OECD suggests that the G20 adopt regulations to manage ESG data. According to the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, the OECD, the G20 group of the world's largest economies should consider introducing policies to strengthen ESG investment practices of investors, including encouraging greater comparability and alignment of environmental metrics in ESG ratings. The suggestions came in the report ESG Investing and Climate Transition, Market Practices, Issues and Policy Considerations. The report states that policies should be considered to promote openness and comparability of ESG methods, as well as to improve the tools and processes that support disclosure, valuations, and scenario analysis in low-carbon financial markets. It advises that more international collaboration is needed to overcome present market fragmentation in ESG-related investing practices. The report comes at a time when major economies throughout the globe are increasing the scrutiny of investors and businesses' statements about their environmental effect. Several nations, including the United Kingdom, France and New Zealand, require climate-related data to be published, while the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States, China and Japan are said to be contemplating similar disclosure rules. The OECD research advises governments to explore rules that control frameworks of standardized core indicators to constitute baseline reporting for the E, S, and G pillars for use by market players. They should also encourage established ESG ratings and indexes to use clear and comparable scoring and weighting systems. This will guarantee that market participants understand how ratings are developed. The report advocates for more openness on the financial consequences of the transition to a low-carbon economy, particularly through strengthening forward-looking analysis methodologies. It also claims that a lack of regulatory clarity on carbon pricing and renewable energy subsidies is impeding efficient market pricing of the risks and possibilities of a transition. The G20 will meet on October 30 and 31 in preparation for the COP26 Climate Summit in Glasgow in November.